To use the DRRB functionality, users will select the CDRL Summary tab located on the Procurement home page. The legend at the top of the page allows users to identify the different icons in the CDRL Summary tab. The DRRB icon looks like a group of people inside a square. When this icon is listed next to a CDRL in the list, it indicates that the CDRL is ready to be moved to the DRRB status. There are two distinct ways to move CDRLs into the DRRB. To move all CDRLs to DRRB, select the DRRB icon at the top of the list. This will move all the CDRLs that are ready to be moved to the DRRB. To individually move a CDRL to DRRB, users can select the DRRB icon next to each CDRL. Once all necessary CDRLs have been placed in a DRRB status, the Conduct CDRLs button will become available on the Manage CDRL Summary tab, located on the Review and Approve phase. Selecting this button will open the DRRB page. This houses the procurement name and its status, as well as lists a view of all the CDRLs that are awaiting the DRRB approval. This list has the CDRL numbers, titles, subtitles, and the Accept, Reject functionality. In a formal DRRB, the CDRL owner or the CDRL admin will open each of the CDRLs by using the hyperlinked CDRL number. Here, everyone can view the completed DD Form 1423 and the cycle times. CDRL owners also can edit, delete, or print the CDRL to PDF from this form. The DRRB members can choose to edit the CDRL in real time or make comments and allow the CDRL drafter to edit the CDRL later. Located below the cycle time section of this page is the DRRB comment section. Users can make comments by selecting the Add New button. Once a comment is entered, hit Save. Any comments created will be time and date stamped and labeled with the comment creator's name. Once the group has received the DD Form 1423, the CDRL owner will then go back to the top of the page to accept or approve or reject each CDRL with the Accept or Reject icons. Rejected CDRLs will be moved back to the draft status so it can be edited and go through the DRRB process again. Accepted CDRLs will be moved available to awaiting the signature authority status. Not every procurement will use the DRRB functionality. For this reason, users have the option to remove the DRRB functionality from the CDRL process flow. Housed under the Manage CDRLs tab on the Procurement homepage, there is a DRRB toggle to turn off the DRRB functionality if it is not being used for the procurement. When toggled off, the CDRLs will move from a draft to an awaiting signature status. This will bypass the Conduct DRRB functionality.